In the vast expanse of space, asteroids hurtle through the cosmos. 3 are particularly menacing. First, the 7482, 1994 PC1, a common S-type, stony asteroid. Its diameter is 1052 m, 3,451 feet, and its most recent close approach took place on the 18th of January 2022, when it passed within 1.2 million miles of Earth. The distance and brightness placed it just outside the reach of common 750 binoculars, currently unnamed but designated 7482, 1994 PC1. It ranks as the most dangerous object, with much closer encounters possible on numerous occasions in the second half of this millennium. Next is 4179 Toutatis, 1989 AC, is an elongated asteroid with dimensions of 4.75 x 1.95 kilometers, 2.95 x 1.2 miles. Its chaotic orbit, slow rotation, and irregular shape make it challenging to observe and model. The Chinese lunar probe Chang'e 2 flew by Toutatis in 2012, revealing a dusty red-orange color and topographical details. Toutatis has a history of close approaches to Earth and will pass within 0.02 AU on the 5th of November 2069. Thirdly, 314082 Dryope, 2005 CZ36. It has a diameter of 1080 m, 0.67 miles, and a magnitude of 17.5, making it the darkest of the asteroids described here. However, this orbital distance is gradually shrinking over time and will lead to a relatively close pass in 2186. What would happen if an asteroid hit Earth? Even a collision between a small object and a city could cause great damage. If an asteroid like 1996 JA1 hit the Earth at a typical velocity of 20 kilometers per second, the energy released would be about the same as a 0.4 megaton nuclear weapon, or 30 times the force of the bomb dropped on Hiroshima.